Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chidi here. What's up? How is everyone doing? Guys, I don't know if people can see, we are at the Botanical Gardens. It's Dara's birthday week, so we came for a photo shoot actually. She is in already. Hi, good day. So, this is like from the inside. Hi, good day. Nature, gorgeous, just gorgeous. What is she doing? What are you doing? Guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a video. Oh, the entrance. We actually almost missed the entrance. So this is like some cute thing. Hi, look at the birthday baby girls, so pretty. Yeah, guys, I'll be displaying the pictures that we took. You need your shoes?
Yeah, this place is bright enough for picture.
Absolutely, yeah. That's on. Yeah. This, okay. I think we can go with this. So, okay. So guys, we are heading home. We are done with the shoot. It was it was a lot because the sun today. Yeah, but we pulled through. I'm just glad that there are what? I said we pulled through. Pulled through, pull. Yeah, I'm just glad that she was able to get her pictures. Okay. So guys, we'll be ending the vlog here. This child is tired and I am with everything that we came with. Like, I'm literally carrying the bags. Like, we have this big heavy bag, you know, that guys is really big. Like, it's big and heavy. Dara's clothes, her shoes, her wigs. Yeah, I'm so far away from her right now because I'm trying to take my time. Okay guys, we have come to the end of the vlog, as I said earlier, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay, like, subscribe, share, comment, and stay notified. Bye.